Anita Alvarez got in front of the TV cameras at her press conference and said that she relied on the independent IPRA investigation. But then she referred to it as the police partner, the IPRA investigation. It is amazing to me that Anita Alvarez, the state's attorney of Cook County, relied on an investigation from IPRA, and she had the nerve to say that today, and that she didn't tell the mayor that she was releasing the video, but she had the nerve today to say that she relied on the IPRA investigation when 12 to 14 hours ago, the head of IPRA resigned and/or was fired because of the shoddy investigations that IPRA does. The head of IPRA resigned, and the state's attorney says, I relied on an IPRA investigation. That is a joke. That is an absolute joke. It is an affront to Dorothy Holmes. It is an affront to Ronald Johnson, and it is an affront to the people of Cook County and Chicago. I received a call Friday night at 5 o'clock from a member of the state's attorney's office, a supervisor, who asked me if I had any evidence to show that Officer Hernandez planted a weapon. He asked me, the plaintiff's attorney on this case, and he knew me, if I had evidence to give to the state's attorney's office. He called me Friday night at 5 o'clock after the mayor had said the video is going to be released, if I could provide them with information. Anita Alvarez has at her disposal a fleet of investigators who are mostly former Chicago police detectives. She has at her disposal subpoena power. She has at her disposal grand jury power to subpoena people in front of the grand jury. None of this was done. Instead, she calls the plaintiff's lawyer, me, at Friday night and says, what do you got? I told them that we would cooperate fully with their investigation, if there was an investigation, which there was not. I called them back Saturday afternoon and said, I am happy to come in Monday afternoon and meet with members of the state's attorney's office. I told them that we would cooperate fully, come in and meet to discuss this case. I was put on hold for about 3 minutes. They got back on the phone and said, we'll get back to you. Let us know if you got anything. They hung up on me. They had no desire to meet with me. There was no investigation on this case.